Hi guys, and in today's video I'm going to talk to you about how to solve one of the biggest problems holding most traders back, that being gaining enough capital to be able to trade full-time for a living. And I'm also going to share the story of a trader I work with who was recently funded with a $100,000 account, and I'm going to tell you exactly how he got it too. If that sounds good, stay tuned. Hi guys, Will here from WB Trading and welcome back. If you are new to the channel, please do hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of the free videos that I share with the trading community here on YouTube. So one of the biggest problems holding most traders back is having enough capital within their trading accounts to allow them to make a living. Now, the reason this is an issue is because let's say you have a really good year and you make 25%. 50% or even 100%. If you have a £1,000 account, let's just lay compounding aside and say you generate 100% and double your account. You've only made £1,000. Now, that's a decent amount of money, but in the grand scheme of things, it isn't much, is it? You can't even buy a decent holiday with that. That's like a few months of food shopping for a family of four, isn't it? But let's say, on the other hand, you have a $100,000 account and you make 30%. Now, that's $30,000. That's an average UK full-time salary for an entire year of hard work. And on the topic of actually trading a six-figure $100,000 account, I actually received a message from a trader a few weeks ago now called Arturo. And Arturo, I hope I'm pronouncing that right, forgive me if I'm not. But it was a message just letting me know that he'd used my pound-dollar strategy to pass the FTMO prop firm test and actually receive funding from them to begin trading for them using the capital that they gave him on a profit share basis. And they funded him with, again, $100,000 to trade with for them. Now, this was actually the first I'd heard about the firm. I'd never heard of them before, but I do know that this allowed Arturo to begin trading full-time, which is the dream for a lot of people, isn't it? And I should just point out that I'm in no way affiliated with the firm, by the way. I don't gain anything from anyone either working with them or taking the test or anything. But what Arturo's story goes to show is that even with just one simple strategy, some self-belief and a goal to begin trading full-time and making trading his career, it is possible to receive life-changing funding and make that a reality. Six-figure capital it's unimaginable for a lot of people, isn't it? But that's my point here, and that's the reason for this video today. I just want to get across to people, it is possible. All it rests on really is having a strategy or strategies that actually work and then trading well. And I know that sounds almost too simple or too easy, but if there's one thing I believe in very strongly, it's simplicity, and Arturo undeniably proved that to be true. And by the way, if you are enjoying the video today, it'd be really great if you'd hit that like button, that thumbs up button, and leave me a comment. That would really help me if that's okay with you. So another thing that a lot of people will also be interested in is how the test works and how the funding works. So to begin with, you do have to pay a fee to take the test, and the fee changes based on the amount of funding that you'd like to receive, as do the requirements. So as an example, to receive $50,000 in funding, you need to be able to generate a profit of 10% with no more than a 5% daily drawdown and no more than an overall 10% drawdown. If you draw down above either of those figures, you fail the test. Funding wise, if we continue to use FTMO as an example, they offer $10,000, $25,000, $50,000 and $100,000 funding. And again, the test requirements change based on the amount that you're actually seeking. So just a quick video on this topic for you all today, but again, my point is this: it is possible. And if Arturo can take my pound-dollar strategy, pass the test, and now be trading a $100,000 account full-time for the firm, that just proves it. And he's not the only person seeing results via the pound-dollar strategy either. Take Greg, for example, and if you follow me online, you'll have seen me post this yesterday, a few hours after the email actually came in. But he says it himself. He followed the strategy rules yesterday morning. No stress, no guesses, no predictions. and the Hedge delivered another easy winning trade right off the bat for him. Or take Derek, even, another pound-dollar strategy trader. He joined me at the start of December last year, and he'd grown his account by just above 20% inside of 3 weeks. Again, literally just by following the strategy rules. Or take Paul. He actually doubled his account using the pound-dollar strategy across last year. You know, the results speak for themselves. And the best thing is they came with no technical analysis, no fundamental analysis, no trend lines, indicators, support, resistance, none of the hard work, just a simple, statistically proven set of rules that anyone can follow. And with that, the results just come. And all of those traders are absolute, literal proof of that. Anyway, I really hope that triggers inspiration for a few of you out there who would like to begin trading six-figure capital as full-time traders. I'll leave it there for today, and as always, trade with Hedge, with consistency, and I look forward to having you back here on the channel soon. Thanks everyone.